Okay, so just an update on my garden. So what I'm doing is I'm installing these wooden, I don't know what you call them, but I have like a lot of these wooden pieces, and I think these will make really good boundaries. So I am actually reclaiming some of my garden space. So I'm hoping to grow some grass here. So I actually used some seeds, grass seeds. So this looks good to me, and let me show you the other side. So this is what I'm doing on the other side. Of course, this still needs to be done, but and by the way, the blackberry, I actually removed the bush. I mean, not completely, but I actually trimmed it down, and it looks very small now. But the blackberry bush is actually one of my favorite. I quite like it. I mean, not because I like blackberry, but the blackberries are also very. I mean, because this particular plant, you don't have to do anything. Just plant it, and it will give you a lot of blackberries every year, and for a long time. So this is what it looks like. So what I did, I actually dug up some soil, and I inserted these wooden pieces here. So I think this looks good to me. And as you can see, this is the tree, which I think I don't even remember when I planted this, but I think it was maybe 3 years ago. So it took a while for this plant, maybe 2 years ago. I'm not really sure. I don't really remember, but I will take care of this plant now. I think this is a tree, so I'm hoping to maybe plant a couple of more, maybe small plants. I don't know, maybe rose bushes. Let us see. I have like 7 rose bushes already, so maybe something else. And I'm also planning to fix the shed. So these two sheds of mine, I have a big one. This one is of course not in a great shape, but this one is aluminium, and the door is broken, which hopefully I will try to fix. But this one is something that I'm thinking of fixing next. I don't really think I need to do much. I just need to cover this thing, and I'll try to clean it, and at the same time I need to paint it as well. So let us see. I will keep you guys posted about the garden revamp restoration process. I don't really take care of my garden. I mean, I should, and I think when you work in the garden, it is a really good exercise. It is better than going to a gym.